Hi friends, I hope all of you all are doing absolutely well, and if you're somebody who's watching me for the first time, please allow me to introduce myself. I am Meghna. I work as an executive performance and a happiness coach, where I work with people in the top management to help them deal with any issues that cause hindrance in their growth. These issues come in form of brain fog, confusion, pressure, not having the right amount of clarity, not being able to work at their optimal energy which they used to before, and much more. So in videos that I post on YouTube, I talk about the challenges that people in the top management face and are looking for solutions for the same. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be talking about one such topic. Let's begin. So do you know that feeling when the workday is over, your laptop is shut but your mind refuses to, where emails are still echoing? That meeting where you didn't speak enough is now running in your mind like a loop. Your body is home but your brain, it's still at work, and you're completely exhausted but somewhere still wired. To be honest, I've heard this so many times from high performing professionals, and I get it because I have been there too. And here's the truth that nobody told us in college or at work, that we are not bad at switching off. We are just wired to be living on survival and not peace. Your nervous system, your brain and body connection, it's trained to be on at all times. And on that, you reward yourself for always being available, and that's what you call being productive. So now, when you know that it's time for a reset, your brain is not ready for it. Your system doesn't believe that it is safe to do that. In fact, a senior leader once told me that I can't sit still. I have to be doing something, because if I'm not checking something constantly, I feel guilty. And let me tell you, that's not productivity. That's your nervous system, which is in fight or flight mode, disguised as ambition. And if you can't switch off after work, it does not mean that you're broken. It means that your system was wired to survive and not thrive. And the good news is that you can definitely unwire it and rewire it in the right place. Because that's exactly what I help my clients do. So it's proven. Try this tonight, just one of these. After logging off from work, take a walk without your phone. Or before bed, ask yourselves, what do I need to feel safe to stop today? Or remind this to yourself, that my rest is not a threat, it's my power source. Making sense? And let me tell you that this is what I uncover on weekly basis in my LinkedIn newsletters, called as the CEO's Mindset. It's for professionals like you who've achieved a lot but want to feel free, not be busy. And if this hits home and you want to go deeper, then I'm happy to share that every month I open one-to-one coaching slots for people who are ready to stop performing recovery and actually feel it. So down in the description box below, you'll find the link to join the newsletters and to see what are the newsletters that I've published until today, and also a link to book a one-to-one call with me, but that's only if you're ready to reset. You don't need to earn your right to rest. You just need to remember that you're a human and you don't have to figure things out alone.